Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of trucks and discussing the best brake pads for Ram 1500. Stay tuned to discover the ultimate stopping power for your beast on wheels. Number 1. Raybestos trademark brake pads. Unleash the power of stopping. Delivery truck dashing away for Ram 1500 owners, these truck brake pads are an absolute game changer. Precision engineered for performance and reliability, they deliver unparalleled stopping power. Tackle any road with confidence, knowing Raybestos trademark has your back. Whether it's tough terrains or heavy loads, these pads excel in durability and brake responsiveness. Upgrade your Ram 1500 with Raybestos trademark brake pads today for a driving experience like never before. Shield Fire. Number 2. Bosch BC1084, unleash the beast of braking power. Delivery truck dashing away specifically crafted for the mighty Ram 1500, these brake pads are the epitome of excellence. Smooth, silent, and supremely durable, they conquer any road with ease. From treacherous terrains to swift city drives, Bosch has your back. No more worries about sudden stops, trust the brand synonymous with reliability. Upgrade your braking game now and experience the unmatched performance that Bosch delivers. Unleash your truck's true potential and hit the road with unmatched confidence. Number 3. Bendix brake pads. Unleash the power of your Ram 1500. Delivery truck dashing away. Rev up your truck's performance with Bendix brake pads. The ultimate upgrade for your Ram 1500, these pads ensure smooth stops, unmatched durability, and mind-blowing control. Say goodbye to brake fade and hello to confidence on the road. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising the highways, Bendix has got your back. Elevate your driving experience today and feel the difference. Buckle up for safety and performance like never before. Number 5. Beefed up brakes. Unleash the power of your Ram 1500. These truck brake pads are an absolute game changer. Enhanced stopping performance, unrivaled durability, and precision engineering make every drive a confidence-inspiring adventure. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising the open road, beefed-up brakes deliver unparalleled safety and peace of mind. Upgrade your Ram 1500 today and experience the difference that sets this brand apart from the rest. Number 5. Beefed-up brakes. Unleash the power of your Ram 1500. These truck brake pads are an absolute game changer. Enhanced stopping performance, unrivaled durability, and precision engineering make every drive a confidence-inspiring adventure. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising the open road, beefed-up brakes deliver unparalleled safety and peace of mind. Upgrade your Ram 1500 today and experience the difference that sets this brand apart from the rest. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best brake pads for your Ram 1500, it's essential to prioritize safety, performance, and durability. We've explored some top options tailored to meet these criteria. Remember to consider your driving habits and specific needs when making a choice. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped you make an informed decision for your vehicle's braking system. Drive safely.